Let's turn our attention now to another natural hazard particularly prone to striking the southeast coast of North America and Southeast Asia: hurricanes and cyclones. Using the Add button, search for layers, search in ArcGIS Online for hurricanes. Uncheck Within Map Area. In the list that appears, add the following 10 hurricanes: 02 Katrina, 09 Donna, 05 Andrew, 07 Cuba, Florida, 03 1900 Galveston, 06 Great New England, 08 Lake Okeechobee, 04 1915 Galveston, 01 Great Miami, and 10 Hurricane Camille. These are the 10 most damaging hurricanes in U.S. history. When done, select Done Adding Layers, as shown here. Your map should look similar to the following. Which of the hurricanes that you are examining became a Category 5 hurricane at some point in their lifespans? What would you like your students to say if you asked them to describe the spatial pattern and direction of these hurricanes? Click on a hurricane track segment, such as between each of the dots. Look carefully at the field Add_time, which indicates the Greenwich Mean Time for that particular segment of the hurricane track. How many hours does each segment between the dots cover? Knowing the answer to this question and using the distance tool in ArcGIS Online, you could easily determine the velocity of each hurricane's forward movement at each point in its life, and therefore incorporate mathematics here into your STEM or geography instruction. Using the search tool to the upper right of the map, search for Galveston, Texas, and zoom to it. Note the 1900 and 1915 hurricanes that passed nearby. The 1900 hurricane, described in chilling detail in Eric Larson's book Isaac Storm, which I highly recommend, was the most deadly USA hurricane to date, with over 8,000 fatalities. Examine the topography of Galveston and think about, or do some research on, the type of landform that Galveston is. Name the type of landform that Galveston lies on, and speculate why the 1900 Galveston hurricane was so destructive. As this hurricane moved across North America in a wide arc, it killed people on a boat in the first of the Great Lakes that it passed over. Which lake was this? Open a new tab in your browser. Examine this same data in a story map format at this URL. Which hurricane, according to this story map, was the #1 most damaging one to strike the USA? Why was it so damaging? Why was it different from the most deadly hurricane? You could, with this same data, examine how hurricanes increase and then decrease in intensity over their lifespans, discuss famous New England area hurricanes, assess the vulnerability of certain cities and coastlines to hurricanes, add in and examine additional hurricanes, which are available in ArcGIS Online back to 1851, and so much more that we do not have time for at the moment. But I encourage you to come back to this map and data at your own convenience. Thank you.